how to make comics. To make a comic, start off with a box. One box. This is going to be your first box. And you want to have characters too. Here's my way to draw characters. Circle. That's how I draw characters. This one's a boy. Anyways, that's my character design. So the main thing about comics is that you want the reader to be able to understand your comics. And make your words first, so you have enough space for the characters and the other words so that it doesn't look like a mess. A very important thing in understanding your comics is if you can tell your characters apart. Don't draw your characters that are too similar to each other. So we can make one that's a boy. You don't have to do what I'm doing. Oh no, I made a mistake. This is terrible. I didn't make the words first. Because when I was younger, I didn't make comics the right way. Like, I'd make the speech bubble coming out of the box. You're not supposed to do that. So for a funny comic, you can have like a cool, funny twist at the end. Usually it's that. And also you need to make your boxes easy to read. Like, are your words big enough for the person to read? Mostly just make squares go like square, 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 so that people know how it's going. Okay, I've got down my speech. That's my words. Now I'm going to draw the character who's going to be talking. So, oh no. So make your words first, and I got my character down second. And then I can make another character. And now we're going to make the speech bubble. We don't make the speech bubble coming out of the box. When we make it to the end of the box, we just go like that. So this is a good box. The reader is also supposed to know the correct order. So if you want, you can put numbers on each box. If you're making a big comic, then make sure that it's understandable. So you can try and put your mind into like the mode of the reader so that you could make it understandable. Like, not make it like the guy's saying how the day's doing. Then the girl just gets spiky hair somehow and gets a flower on her dress or something like that. No. That won't be able to understand. we can make it, if you want that to happen, then you can make it so that the girl maybe goes to her house to get a brush. I don't know, this is basically my comic, but you can make your own. So basically, make it be like the reader can understand, and that you do the words first, characters, and then speech bubble. Make sure the reader knows the right order too. Don't make the speech bubble go over the box like this. I used to do that a lot. Don't make the speech bubble first, and then all the words. That's going to turn out really bad. And make sure you can tell your characters apart. And that nothing the reader can not understand happens. Like, make sure the reader can understand. Mini comics are easier to make than long comics, because in long comics, the person then obviously ends up going into different areas. And in mini comics, they don't really do that. It took me a while to master making comics, but I think I did. I'm going to make an example comic. Remember to put a "the end" at the end of the comic so that the reader knows it's the end. So now I'm going to read it to you. It's so cold and it's winter. I feel so isolated. The end.